Who do you have with you?
Well, Amitabh, we are at the ITO Chungi and volunteers from so many colleges have been coming all day, and I think they are going because they have people to pump them up. So we have with us Khurafati Nitin.
Hi.
Hello. What do you think of the campaign?
I think the campaign's great, but it's high time that people came to know that it's a myth that you're planting trees here. NDTV is actually planting a forest here. You should have a look at the number of plants that they've planted over here. It's crazy. And the kids over here, all the volunteers over here, they seem to be enjoying it. And they've also started having mud fights now. But they're really enjoying what they're doing. But I just feel that, whatever NDTV is doing, I think as a movement, it's great that you've started this. It's a fantastic thing that you're doing. But I just feel that everyone else should also just, start pooling and start joining the campaign. Everyone all over India needs to start doing this, not only in Delhi.
Yeah.
I think everyone needs to start doing it high time.
Absolutely. That's the whole idea of the BPTP NDTV Be the Solution campaign. We're just going to go and see some children in action. Would you want to join them?
Yeah, sure.
Here, I've got gloves for you. So we have a whole lot of children over here. Do you know who's here? Come. This is Khurafati
They
Nitin.
probably heard me, never seen me. It's time to get scared.
And as you can see, they're all dirty, muddy. They have been planting. Are you guys having fun?
Oh yes, totally. Seriously, a lot. We get muddy. We have planted trees. We have dug up things. We have collected garbage and thrown it. If not for CAWG, please come here for the environment.
And
You learn. Come here for fun. Yes, mud fights are a sure part. You should not miss it. Mud fights are must here.
Okay, so we have a whole lot of enthusiastic kids. Why don't you go and join them now?
Yeah. Listen, I'm not going for any mud fights, okay?
Okay, Amitabh, that's it from here. Well, the work will continue and we are hoping not just today but all the way till CWG.